Well, I'm getting ready for winter, so I want to show you this great wild badger 12-inch snow shovel. Now, this is a 40-volt battery operated, but I just wanted to show you. Super easy to assemble, but there are just a couple items to kind of pay attention to. So, the handle, it comes down like that for easy storage. Now, when you're assembling it, there are a few holes on the side, and that is kind of what you need to pay attention to. So you're going to get this kind of wing nut and screw combination. So this is going to go, we're going to just place it through the holes. Whoop. As such. So it's going to go through these two, and then we're just going to take the wing nut here as such. Very simple. Now, it's in one piece. I think that what took probably the longest assembling this was really just taking apart the handle. Because the handle, when it comes, the Allen wrenches are screwed all the way in. So you got to take all four screws out first. Now, once you get that, into two different pieces, there's also this rubber like grommet, and there's another thing. There's this little plastic piece. You got to pay attention to that. So what next is on the back side of the blower, you'll notice there's a little hole. So when we're putting on our handle, we'll want to watch that hole, because that little nub is going to go into there. So let me see if I got that lined up. Now, what I'm going to do is just place the handle as such, and then just tighten down the 4 bolts. And that is all that. That's it. So, like I mentioned, probably the thing that takes the longest is just getting the handle and this handle separated. But yeah, and then now I'm just going to tighten these up so the handle and everything is firm. And then we'll just kind of briefly talk about the battery pack. That is very, not much to it, actually. So, all right, I think those are probably tight enough. But so it comes with the charger here, and then you have your battery, and the battery just slides in as such, and you'll hear that little click, and then you just plug it into the wall, and the lights will flash. It does have, on the back of the battery, it has kind of a indicator, so you could press that, and we got a full charge. So next is just, we got the handle. Still got to tighten that up a hair, but the battery pack just slides right in. You'll hear the snap, and now it is ready to go. So very easy to assemble. That's how it should look there. And just got to finish tightening these. And all I need now is some snow.